Khan.
C'est très beau.
C'est très
C'est
beau.
très beau.
Yeah.
Very good.
C'est très beau. It is
No.
very beautiful.
Tre.
Very good.
Tre.
After
In
telling
in your tre. See, like Mehna's pronounced it very correctly. I'm not trying to praise anybody or somebody. Okay, please take it very positively. Her sound is not there. Thre, let me go to that slide, and I added that slide there. Uh, just a moment. Yeah, here. Okay, like this thre is thre. Thre.
Tre.
Thre. Ta,
Tre.
ta and kha and re. Thre. Thre.
Tre.
Thre.
Tre.
But because of this kh, t should not become silent. Okay.
Tre.
Yeah. The first top priority is for
Right.
t, and second priority is to kh, and the trailing ending sound is re. Thre. Can you notice that I'm uttering that sound over here, making a sound over here, thre, right?
Très.
Clear?
Très.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let me go back again where we left. Yeah. C'est très beau
très
ici. C'est très beau.
C'est très
C'est
beau.
très beau.
Okay, one by one, please.
I'll call out the names. Next one is Humaira Khan.
C'est très beau ici.
Then
Yeah.
Afsar.
Yeah, others,
Asfar
please
Fateh.
mute their
C'est
mic.
très beau ici.
Yeah. Okay, great.
Once it is done, kindly mute your mic. Okay. Then
Great,
Ibrahim.
great.
Mr.
Next.
Ibrahim. Mr. Ibrahim, kindly unmute and say.
C'est très beau ici.
C'est très beau ici. Yeah, Iwa, Sahi. Ibrahim bhai from Riyadh, right?
Yes, yes.
Great. Continue.
Next, Redmi YS. I don't know the name. Redmi YS. Okay. Musa, Musa.
C'est très bon ici.
C'est très beau ici. C'est très beau ici.
C'est très bon. C'est très bon ici. Bon.
No, it's say. It is say. S-A-Y. How do you say in English? Say S-A-Y. Same sound you have to use here. Same pronunciation for say. C'est très bon ici. Right?
C'est très bon ici.
You're concatenating these two sounds. Right now, keep it separate. Okay. Right now, keep it separate. C'est très bon ici.
C'est très beau ici.
C'est très bon ici.
Aywa. C'est très beau ici, and T should be silent. T should be silent. Like S-A-Y. How you will pronounce the word in English? S-A-Y. Say. Okay.
C'est très bon ici.
Aywa. Exactly. Next.
Next, Farheen. Miss Farheen.
C'est très bon ici.
Okay, what's this one?
Bon.
No, louder. Please, louder.
Bon.
Bon. Noona gunna, naak mein. Okay, in the nose. Bon. Okay, noona gunna. Yeah, aywa. Okay, yes, that's right.
Mr. Ali Imran.
Okay.
Mr. Ali Imran, next.
Yeah, bon. Yeah, bon.
Aywa. See, make sure you are by mistake not pronouncing the sound for N. It is not N. Okay. It is not bon. Okay. It is bon. Okay, great. Thank you. Bon. Thank you.
Bon.
Next.
Yeah, bon.
Now nobody else. I think all are new.
And have you newcomers? I think today 47 participants, mashallah, and still coming and still pouring in, mashallah. And what I'm saying is, newcomers, have you made a note of there is a difference between bo and bon, right? The sound, the pronunciation, right? Okay. Khalas. I assume that everybody has followed me. Next. Say it is. Say bon. C'est bon.
C'est beau.
Bon.
C'est bon.
C'est bon.
C'est bon.
No, one sec.
C'est bon.
Somebody said that c'est bon. No, don't say c'est bon. C'est bon. C'est bon.
C'est bon.
Aywa. This is perfect.
C'est
C'est
bon.
beau.
No. Again, somebody made a mistake.
C'est bon.
C'est bon. No. C'est bon. C'est bon.
C'est bon.
Aywa. C'est bon. Quickly.
C'est
okay?
bon.
Okay. Because
bon.
you need not
C'est bon.
listen to me, please. You need not prolong. C'est bon. No. C'est bon. C'est bon. C'est bon.
C'est bon.
Aywa.
C'est
C'est
beau.
bon. C'est bon. C'est bon.
Bon.
Okay. Now this one.
Fantastic.
Aywa.
Fantastic.
Fantastic.
No. Second person. First person was fine.
Fantastic.
Second, somebody said me fantastic. No, it should be rounded. F-O. It should be fantastic.
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 Excuse me, everybody. Make sure about only one syllable over here. That is O, making an O sound here. Forget about this one. This one will come to you. This will eventually come to you. But when you don't start it correctly, it doesn't make trading importance. The precedence, the what do you call the trailing and the I forgot the word. It's not coming to me now. The prefix, the prefix of the trailing has to be corrected properly. Okay. Fantastic.
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 And there is a huge
Fantastic.
difference. There is a huge difference between. See, okay. Observe my T over here now. See, observe my T over here now. It is not fantastic. It is not fantastic, but it is fantastic. Top and fantastic. This difference, fantastic, right? Write it down in your native language, Hindi, Telugu, Urdu, Malayali, whatever it is. Okay.
Fantastic.
Next.
Fantastic.
Say fantastic.
Fine.
Say
Next.
fantastic.
Okay.
Say
Next.
fantastic.
Fine.
C'est fantastic.
Okay.
Say fantastic.
Okay.
C'est fantastic.
Okay.
Say fantastic.
Absolument.
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 No.
Absolument.
Yeah, Aiva. Now you got it corrected. Somebody, I don't know the name. Fine. It is absolument. Absolument. Absolument.
Absolument.
Absolument.
Absolument.
Okay, see, difference here. Absolutely. This is the difference here. Absolutely. And this is absolument. So this soul is different from this soul. Okay. Absolument. Again, this E has become rounded, but fine. But there is a difference between this soul and this soul. Absolument. Absolutely. Right? Got it? Next.
Say absolument. Fantastic.
Say absolument
fantastic.
C'est absolument fantastic.
Fantastic.
Say
Say
absolument
fantastic.
Say absolument fantastic. Say absolument
C'est
fantastic.
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 Great.
C'est
Say
absolument
absolument
fantastic.
fantastic.
Okay. Next. इसी is here. And for newcomers, इसी वो उर्दू में बोलते हैं ना कि इसी मतलब इसी वक्त same इसी. Okay. Say इसी. And this is say इसी. Right? It is here. And it is good here. Say bon ici.
Screen is hanged.
C'est bon ici. C'est bon ici. Right? Anyone would like to get a chance to say here or next slide?
C'est bon ici.
Okay, next.
C'est bon ici.
Okay, next.
Say bon ici.
Ce n'est pas.
Senepa.
Senepa. Senepa.
Exactly. Senepa.
Senepa.
Senepa. Exactly.
Senepa.
Nepa.
Exactly.
Senepa.
Senepa. Please don't discuss during the class. Close your mic. Mute your mic. I mean. Okay. Senepa ici.
Senepa ici.
Senepa ici. Senepa ici. Snepa.
Senepa.
Okay. Now. Okay.
Senepa.
If you want to read this as part of a big sentence, so how will you say? Snepa ici. Snepa ici. Snepa ici. Right? You know.
Senepa ici.
Aywa.
Snepa ici.
Snepa ici. Snepa ici. Snepa ici.
Snep.
Okay. When I say in the
Snepa
beginning,
ici.
when I said in the beginning, I taught you in a slow manner, like Senepa, Senepa. But when you're going to be fluent after a month or so, at least for a beginner, so you will say Snepa ici, Snepa ici, right? Next.
Sir, Mahmouda Ghafoor, she has raised her hand. I think she has some doubt.
Okay, please give it a chance.
Mahmouda?
Snepa bon. Snepa
Aywa.
bon.
Correct. Absolutely. Absolument.
Thank you, sir.
Absolument. Merci beaucoup.
Senepa bon.
Senepa bon.
Ce n'est pas bon. Ce n'est pas bon. Ce n'est pas bon.
Ce n'est pas bon.
Ce n'est pas bon.
Great.
Ce n'est pas
Next.
bon. Ce n'est pas bon.
Senepa
Okay.
très bon.
Ce n'est pas très bon. Ce n'est pas très bon. Ce n'est pas très bon. Ce n'est pas très bon.
Très bon.
Ce n'est
Ce
pas
n'est
très
pas
bon.
très bon.
Ce n'est pas très bon.
Ce n'est pas très bon.
Okay. Now, the people who are attending this class for the third time, yani this is the third day today, right? So now they should try to pronounce the first word a little faster. Okay, little faster. Ce n'est pas très bon. Ce n'est pas très bon. Ce n'est pas très bon. Great.
Ce n'est pas
Great.
très bon.
Next.
Ce n'est pas très bon.
Okay.
Ce n'est pas très bon.
Okay. It is good.
Ce n'est pas très bon.
It is okay.
Senepa bon ici.
Ce n'est pas bon ici. No, no. Très is not here. Ce n'est pas bon ici. Ici. Oui, bon. Next. Okay.
Senepa bon. C'est fantastique.
Ce n'est pas bon, c'est fantastique.
Ce n'est pas bon, c'est fantastique. Okay. Who was that?
Senepa bon. C'est fantastique.
Who was that? Ava. Who was the boy? What was his name? Who was the boy? Tawfiq or who's that?
Yeah, I said.
Tawfiq. Yeah, Tawfiq. Yeah, repeat it again.
Ce n'est pas beau, c'est fantastique.
Ce n'est pas bon.
C'est fantastique.
No, no. Please, others, please wait. Only Tawfiq.
Ce
Tawfiq
n'est pas
again.
beau, c'est fantastique.
No. You said it right. You said it right before I called your name. I was surprised that you caught it very correctly. MashaAllah. Tell me the same way. Tell me same way that you said it first time. Okay. Fine. Ce n'est pas bon, c'est
Ce
fantastique.
n'est pas bon. C'est fantastique.
Aywa. Next. Okay.
Ce
Next.
n'est pas très bon.
Senepa bon ici. C'est fantastique.
Somebody has said tray. Let me show you that there was no tray in even in the two previous slides. Okay, if it was a sound delay, but again you should notice that don't get used to of saying your old sentences. Watch carefully what you're saying, because I purposely removed tray and purposely added tray somewhere. Okay, so don't get used to, don't buttify, yani rat mat mariye, don't mug up. Okay, please. I have purposely not included tray here. There is a reason, and we have learned in this way. And really, I noticed that I used to do the same mistake. Don't feel bad about this, okay? But actually, you might not be memorizing, but you might in the flow, you are using the word thread. So don't use that thread, okay? Yeah.
Ce n'est pas bon ici.
Okay, this one. We were here, right? Yeah, now continue.
Ce n'est pas bon, c'est fantastique.
Ce n'est pas bon, c'est fantastique.
Not here. Ici is not here. Ici is not here.
Ce n'est pas bon,
C'est fantastique.
Exactly.
n'est
See,
pas bon, c'est fantastique.
Again, somebody made a mistake here by saying ici. See, you are actually reading it out in a flow.
Ce n'est pas bon.
Aywa,
C'est fantastique.
let me tell you actually to you so that you tell it little with expression. Okay. Ce n'est pas bon, c'est
Ce
fantastique.
n'est pas bon, c'est fantastique.
Ce n'est pas bon, c'est fantastique.
Ce n'est pas bon, c'est fantastique.
Ce
Ce
n'est
n'est
pas.
pas
Listen.
bon, c'est fantastique.
Yeah.
Ce n'est pas
but-
bon,
Yeah, this was
c'est
little.
fantastique.
This was little low in the pitch, but I would say you should say
Ce
like
n'est
this.
pas bon, c'est fantastique.
No, that was less. Whoever it is,
Ce
it
n'est
was
pas
less.
bon, c'est fantastique.
Yeah.
Ce n'est pas bon, c'est fantastique.
C'est fantastique.
Ce n'est pas.
Ce n'est pas bon,
Ce n'est pas
c'est
bon, c'est
fantastique.
fantastique.
Shavana madam,
Fantastique.
please mute the mic. Please ask them to mute the mic because everybody is just saying like that, and they are not
Yeah.
saying correctly. So at least we will ask one or two people to say, and then we'll correct them so that others will listen. Watch. I mean, clearly and carefully. They should listen. Okay, Ibrahim.
So all the participants
Ibrahim.
kindly mute your mic,
Ibrahim.
and one by one you
Ce
can.
n'est pas bon, c'est fantastique.
Ce n'est pas bon. Okay, now let
C'est
me
fantastique.
let me say here. Okay, let me say here. Ce n'est pas bon, c'est fantastique. See my, see my pitch where I'm raising it, where I'm pulling it down. Give an expression, give a mood to this statement. Give a mood to the statement. Ce n'est pas bon, c'est fantastique. Because if you don't speak with expression and with liveness in your words, you will not get marks even in IELTS. This is a French, right? Learn the expression because it's not an ordinary sentence. There is a semicolon over here. So you have to raise the pitch, stop it, give a pause, and then again raise it and lower it at the trailing end. Okay? Ce n'est pas bon, c'est
Ce n'est-
fantastique.
Ce n'est pas bon,
C'est
c'est fantastique.
Aywa. Okay. Great. Okay.
Ce n'est pas bon, c'est fantastique.
Okay.
Ce n'est
Fine.
pas beau.
Fine. Next. Now. Raise the hand. Come on, quickly, because we are running short of time.
Yes, Farheen. First Shadab Sheikh. Yes,
Ce n'est
Mr.
pas
Shadab.
bon, c'est fantastique. Ce n'est pas bon, c'est fantastique.
Yeah. Next, Khaja Hassan. Mr. Khaja Hassan.
Ce n'est pas bon, ici, c'est fantastique.
Ce n'est pas bon, ici, c'est
Next, Humaira Khan.
Ce n'est pas beau ici, c'est fantastique.
Ce n'est pas beau, c'est fantastic. Faiz, Mr. Faiz.
Ce n'est pas bon ici, c'est fantastique.
Fine.
Next, Tawfiq Zubair.
Okay, next.
Ce n'est pas bon ici, c'est fantastique.
Okay, the new slide. New participant, new slide.
It isn't good here. It's actually fantastic.
Quickly.
Yeah. So first in Ibrahim, Mr. Ibrahim.
Ce n'est pas beau ici, c'est absolument fantastique.
Ce n'est pas bon ici, c'est absolument fantastique. Ce n'est pas bon ici, c'est absolument fantastique. Right?
Next, Humaira Khan.
Ce n'est
Okay.
pas beau ici, c'est absolument fantastique.
Okay, great.
Farheen.
Next.
Farheen.
Ce n'est pas bon ici,
Ce n'est
c'est
pas bon
absolument fantastique.
Ce n'est pas bon ici, c'est absolument fantastique.
Great.
Next, Akram. Akram. Akram is there?
Ce n'est pas bon. Ce
Okay.
n'est pas bon ici, c'est absolument fantastique.
Very
Okay.
good. Sohail. Next is Sohail.
Ce n'est pas beau ici.
Yes, please.
C'est absolument fantastique ici.
Great. Next. Anybody
Ammar
else for the
Sheikh.
same slide?
Ammar Sheikh.
C'est absolument fantastique ici. C'est absolument fantastique ici. Right?
Absolutely.
C'est absolument fantastique ici.
C'est absolument
C'est
fantastique ici. C'est absolument fantastique ici.
Next,
C'est
Umair.
absolument fantastique.
Umair.
C'est absolument fantastique ici. C'est absolument fantastique ici. Great.
C'est
Très bon.
absolument fantastique ici.
Très bon. Très bon. Très bon. Merci beaucoup. Très bon is very good. Très bon is very good. And merci beaucoup is thank you very much. Beaucoup.
Trebo is very good.
Okay, now we'll learn the accent marks and the matra of Hindi. Okay, like those are in French. Okay, the Zer Zabar of Urdu.
The French
Yeah, we'll say this is accent grave. Actually, see, this is the French. Okay, this is the word in English. This is the word in English. This is the equivalent word of French. Très. Okay, very is très. And what is this mark? On the reverse. Reverse, starting from left to right. And left to right, right? So this is accent grave. Accent grave.
Accent grave.
And grave. This is not grave. Okay, grave. And this is the transliteration. Actually, we are very used to of using a word called Roman English, but actually Roman English is not a right word. It is transliteration. Okay, make a note of that. Never use the word Roman English. Say transliteration. You can Google it and learn it later on, not during the class. Please focus here, okay? But note it down. Why? Because see, when we say Xerox, we have been knowing about a brand that it makes a photocopy, but nobody says, at least in my childhood, they used to say Xerox. They didn't say that photocopy. We learned the word photocopy while we were in college. Right? In the same way, Roman English is not the actual literate word, but if you say this Roman English to a native speaker like from America or from UK, okay, they will say, what is Roman English? They will say, they will raise a doubt. Okay, so what you have to do is you should say transliteration. So actually this is transliteration. Transliteration for the phonetics. This is I made. This is not official phonetics. Official phonetics, I'll come to that when I am explaining you gradually. I cannot take that on the day one. You will not catch. Okay, believe me. Like I said you on the day one that I will explain about this little later. And you will know after this slide that it is not very important. Only to clear your doubts, I am explaining you. It is not very important. But you will also know how you will distinguish this one from this one. You will learn this within these 2 slides. Okay. So it is grave, accent grave. Okay. Très, accent grave. And this is delicio. Like yesterday I told you that it is like Delhi. The of Delhi. The half of Delhi. Delicio, not delicio. Delicio. There is the difference between delicio and delicio, right? Did you catch my sounds?
Delicio.
Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Great. I
Mr.
am thankful to God that today the internet is going very perfectly. There was a glitch in the beginning. The connection got disconnected. I'm sorry about that. Fine. Okay. Now,
Sir, Sohail Akhtar has some doubts, sir.
yeah, please.
Sohail Akhtar, unmute yourself and you can ask.
I'm sorry, I do not have any doubt. I don't know what's
next,
going.
Next, no problem.
You
Next,
can lower
quickly.
your hand.
Next.
You can lower your hand.
Next.
Okay.
Okay. Anybody would like to say this? Read this. Menas?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, read it.
Grav.
No, starting from
Grav.
beginning. No, starting from beginning, please. From here.
Tre grav. Tre.
No.
Tre.
Very is tre. Very
Okay.
is tre.
Very
Like this.
is tre.
Uh,
Very is tre. As in grav. Grave is as in grave is grav.
okay.
Achha,
But explain this. Explain to the
Okay.
listeners. Very.
Okay, sir. I
Okay.
got it.
Yeah.
Very means it's tre. Tre should be pronounced first. We need to take out the voice of th, then kha. Kha. In a silent performance, you have to say kha.
Okay.
Tre. 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 Tre.
Okay. Then accent grave.
Grav.
Accent grave.
Grav.
And what is accent grave? What is accent grave? The mark on the E. The mark on the E, right? That is accent grave. Because this is not accent grave. That is tilted to the right is not accent grave. The one that is tilted to the left is the accent grave, right?
Okay.
And now, come on, explain this.
Accent grave.
Okay.
The one if we have the slant line turning towards the left, that is called an accent grave.
Yeah.
When it is slanting towards the right, it is not a accent grave. When it is slant towards the left, it is accent grave.
Okay, great. And it is grave, right? It is not grave. And as I said, this is the actual text of the French, okay, for the meaning of this, defining this one. And this is the transliteration of the sound you are supposed to use, you are supposed to pronounce, okay? Grave. And this is transliteration, okay? And so don't write in the exam or some way, don't get used to of mixing the transliteration of the phonetics in place of this, right? Okay, you are supposed to write this, but you have to read this way. Got it? Okay, now delisio in this, the mark is tilted towards the right side, and it is acute accent, acute. Now you can read over here. I deliberately have included double C over here so that you give a stress on the C, like in tajdeed, okay, in Arabic, like you try to repeat that alphabet, right? Okay, in the same way, acute, not acute. Okay, you have to say acute accent, right?
चिप्स के पैकेट हैं? क्या है?
कुरकुरे क्या खा रहे हैं? माइक टेक केयर ऑफ द माइक, बातें बाहर आ जाते फिर.
One small, sorry to interrupt, Mr. Salim.
Yeah, please.
Like I could see in chat box, like heart shape, all these emojis they are putting. Kindly avoid all this thing. Otherwise, I'll remove from the group. So kindly avoid all this thing. As I said earlier, kindly maintain the decorum. Chat box are only to ask your doubts, not to entertain any other thing. So kindly see to that. Otherwise, I'm very strict regarding removing. Will not entertain anybody in the group. Thank you so much.
Ma'am.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, actually, I want to add one more point here, ma'am. Continuously, when I'm unmuting them, when I'm muting them, they're unmuting themselves. Just now, the kurkure thing happened. Kindly say them not to unmute by themselves until we don't say them. Please, ma'am.
Yes. So all the educators, kindly, as we have given already agreements before starting, this platform is to learn. As Mr. Salim from Dubai, Alhamdulillah, is teaching us, we are learning so many things with a free of cost. So everybody has to maintain discipline and the decorum. This is not some time pass.
Decorum.
This is something we have to learn and we have to progress. Thank you so
Decorum.
much.
Yeah, decorum is very important, because if you don't maintain the decorum, you will spoil the mood of the others who are really serious about their lives and careers over here. Even I am serious about myself. Okay, please understand that. Thank you. Don't unmute unless and until you are asked to unmute. Thank you. Mercy, beaucoup. Fine. Next. Okay, did everybody got it this clear? Okay, now this one, because of this, what type of sound pronunciation you're going to make? Like as in English, fed. I'm fed up. Okay. Did you feed him? Yes, he was fed. There are two meanings to fed. Okay, fed, 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 fed. Now remove this F and remove this D. What sound this is supposed to be making you, as giving you a sense? Fed. Okay, now this one to the right. What? Okay, now what is this one? Accent?
Grave.
Great. And this is what?
Acute accent.
Acute accent. Okay, acute accent. Acute. C pe you need to stress. Khalas. Acute. Not on accent ka C nahi. You're not going to see there, but acute. Fine. Now this is similar to A over here. Pay. Now remove the P and remove the Y and just think about what is that sound that's coming in between P and Y. Like see, I have transliterated the sound here. This is not official. Okay, this is I made an explanation to you. Okay, and there is not much difference between A and A. And A. You got it? A and A. A and A. A is something which is falling down on somebody. Okay, like if you're standing in queue and and you you lost your balance and you're falling down on somebody else, like A, right? A, and this is A. This is calm, and it is not colliding with the next alphabet. Okay, so A and A. So now you might have got a clear picture that it's not going to make much of a difference. Only thing is that if you don't put that, it is a spelling mistake, right?
Excuse me.
Yeah, while writing. Yeah, please. Who's that? Yeah, please.
This is Amir. Ali Imran has raised the hand because I have disabled the chat as well as the mics to be unmuted by themselves. Anybody who wants to ask any question, they can raise the hand. We can unmute them.
Great, Amir bhai. Great,
okay,
thank you.
At the moment, Ali Imran has raised the hand, and he can unmute and he can ask if any question is there.
Yeah, sir, this is very much required for writing, sir. A
yes.
and A.
Yes.
So when it is writing, and when you pronounce, अगर हम pronounce करेंगे A और A में कोई difference ज़्यादा नहीं है उसपे.
Minute. That's what I said on the day one.
Minute है.
That's what I said on the day one. That it is not of much importance and it will come in its place during the course. Okay, during the course. Okay. And also, I will not leave anything. Don't worry, be assured. I will not leave anything. Only thing is that it will come at a right place. If I use, just imagine, if this was taught to you on the day one, क्या boring class है यार, right or wrong?
हाँ ऐसा ही होता है. हाँ A और A के बीच है. ठीक है.
Fine.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Next is Mahmooda Ghafoor.
Any question related to this slide and the previous slide, please?
This slide, sir.
Fine.
I mean the mark on that first one, sir, for fed. When it is from left to right, it is short fed. Short A sound, vowel sound, right, sir? Is it so? Just like English?
Fed.
Because you told
Same.
grav, I understood that.
Okay.
But then to make it easier for me to learn through.
Fine.
Is this right? If I'm wrong, please do correct me, sir.
You are absolutely right, and this word is exactly in English. This is not in French. This is not from phonetics. This is not from transliteration. This is an English word.
Okay.
This is the English word.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So fed. Just remember the fed. Remove the remove the d. Fed. The fed.
Short sound.
Okay. Fed. Right. So this a is trying to fall down, colliding with the d. Okay, fed.
Okay, sir.
So that's the reason I transliterated this. I did not. I tried to help this transliteration to help the Urdu speaking or Indian origin person. A.
Okay, sir.
A and A. A and A.
Second one, right? Okay. A. Yeah.
And A. A and A. Fed, pay. Fed, pay. Right?
Yeah, fine, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Next. Okay, Khalas, I'm going to next slide. Thanks for the participation. And now we are going to learn a new word for today. What is this word? Is it English or what? Roman English?
French.
Great. What is that?
Extraordinaire.
Extraordinaire. Again, there's a difference of the English D and D sound here. Extraordinaire. Extraordinaire. Extraordinaire nahi hai. D. Okay. Extraordinaire. If I say D, my tongue is going to the top. Okay. Ditch. He ditched me. My tongue is not coming between the teeth. Okay. You have to bring your tongue between your teeth. Extraordinaire. Right? You got it?
अभी कम है क्या तब?
Great. Shall we move? Any doubt? Participants?
Sir, once again, can you do it, sir?
Repeat it again, you mean?
Yes, sir. Actually, I cannot catch it.
Okay.
Extraordinaire, right?
No.
Extraordinaire.
No. First learn pronunciation in full, then I'll explain you where to stress and give importance in your mind. Okay? It's only on the D. Okay? The important syllable or phonetic here in this word is D. Okay? But extraordinaire. Now again, see, I'm trying to slowly say you, but actually it is distorting. It is making a rubbish kind of other sound. But you should understand. You should understand slow sound, and then I'll tell you that no, you should actually now make it a little faster. But learn in the beginning extraordinaire extraordinary in English, right? Extraordinary. That D is not this D. This is extraordinary. Got it? Extraordinaire. See here. Now, how many syllables are here? Extra. This is not extra. Again, T sound. Extra. Like, anybody staying in Arab countries, there is a shopping mall here called Extra. And the Arabs, they say extra. They don't say extra. And the Indians pronounce it correctly, or the native speakers pronounce it correctly by saying extra. But they say extra. So the same extra has to be here. Extraordinaire. Got it?
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Extraordinaire.
Extraordinaire.
Right?
No,
Ordinary.
don't give a gap between extraordinary. You said extraordinary. No, please, together.
Extraordinary.
Extraordinary, extraordinary,
Extraordinary.
extraordinary, extraordinary. Got it? Extraordinary. My sound is audible to you guys, or it is going? Some slowness is there in my sound?
No, sir. Perfectly fine, sir.
Thank you. The reason
And
for
we
raising
have
the
some
hand,
participants.
yeah, raising the
Raising the
hands,
hand, sir.
just they have it out in case.
Rehab iPhone.
Yes.
Sir,
Actually,
I
I
want to
have a
repeat
doubt.
this word.
Yeah.
My daughter is saying that her school teacher says R should not be pronounced as R, but as Ha. So I'm actually a little bit confused about it.
Great, great. Okay, R is should not be pronounced as R, and it should be pronounced as. It should not. Can you repeat it again?
She's saying it should be pronounced as GH, not as R.
Okay,
Like
great.
Ha
They
from
said
Arabic or
GH.
something.
They said GH, but that R in Thre, it is Kaha, KH. For us, KH. Because we Indian,
Okay.
we understand what Ha and Kha in Urdu, Arabic. Okay?
Uh-huh.
Ha and Kha. That Kha is sound has to come in place of R. Not exactly R.
Okay.
Extraordinaire. Extraordinaire. Now you will get it. Okay? Because since this is the first day today, I said you in beginning that I'm trying to explain you in a little bit slowly, distorted way, but
Okay.
then say, like in the beginning, Senepa. The day when I said Senepa, but it was not Senepa, it is Snepa. Snepa. But when you get used to it, then you can say Snepa.
Uh-huh.
But if I say Snepa, you will not be able to catch it. Say Nepa, say Nepa. So on the day one, if you have not participated, I said Senepa.
Yes.
I said SAY, say, then space NAY, ne, and PA, pa. This is the transliteration for phonetics. But actually, the Senepa is here. Senepa is Snepa. See here, the transliteration of the phonetics that I made for you to understand much clearer. Okay, Snepa. When I said Senepa, to let people understand it, Senepa. Okay, but actually, when you're again at a second stage or a third stage, then I will say you now you will have to say faster to make them understand Snepa, Senepa, Snepa, right? But N is repeated. There is a tajdeed kind of a Arabic we need to add over here. Okay, got it? So in the same way, in Thre, that R sound here, Thre, this R sound has to be replaced with a bit of Kha. Thre. I added somewhere here. Where is that? I'm sorry. Yeah, here. T has to be made sense. Okay, it is not silent. H is added in place of R, and they say GH. Might be she is not from Urdu or our language, so she used a different word. Okay, like in Urdu there is Ali Ba Pa, right? Pa is there. Pa is not there in Arabic, so that's the reason they say Bebsi. They say Bebsi. They don't say Pepsi. But we Urdu people are fortunate enough to say pa for P, but they say ba for P. Got it? When a Arabic speaker due to his mother tongue influence, if he teaches you the English language, he will say Bebsi, Bebsi. But very few who graduated from America or other countries who took an English language course, they are able to pronounce it very correctly, say Pepsi. Got it? In the same way, I took from my trainer that KH sound he is making there. H sound is there. H sound is there. Okay? And again, it is very minute. As I said, it is minute in place of, where is that? Yeah, this one, what you learned over here. A, 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 A. Is there any difference? Very little. Got it? The person who raised the question, what is his name? I forgot.
It's something Redmi, sir. The name was not given.
Fine.
iPhone something he was.
No issues. Fine. And considering the Urdu audience here, I am trying to not alienating other language speakers. Don't mistake me. Don't take it wrong. But I'm trying to use my mother tongue. You can say, okay, fine. Next. Okay, absolument. Okay, where were we? Yeah, here, extraordinaire, extraordinaire, extraordinaire. Any doubt in this? Hello?
No, sir. No one has raised the hand, so you can continue.
Yeah, please.
Extraordinary.
Okay, extraordinary. Please make a note. And thanks for asking. What is your name, brother? Who asked me about that R sounds like a GH?
Mustafa.
Mustafa, where are you from?
I'm from Rabiq, Saudi Arabia.
Better, you are working in Rabiq, Saudi Arabia. You are not a Saudi. Okay, where are you from?
I'm from India.
Which place, brother? I know you're sounding like a Hyderabad,
Hyderabad.
right? Of course.
Yes,
Even if you speak English and I speak English, you can make it out, right? Thank you.
Correct.
Biryani bolti hai andar se, inshallah.
Mutton hai, sir.
Of course, I don't like chicken. Rabiq, Jeddah. Thank you. Next.
Thank you.
So now question answer session, sir.
Okay, please, ma'am. Yeah, thank you for reminding me. And let me check how many slides are left, because I think we gave enough time for the question answers today. So let me complete few more slides so that people will feel a little burden. It is not it should not be an easy class for the people who are attending day 3 as a class, today's class continuously, right? So let me continue with this. Will you allow me?
Yes, sir. Okay. Proceed, sir.
Okay. So have everybody made a note of these two, because this was the first time I explained you about this one. This was not a revision. Our recap was until here. No, until here. And this was the first new slide for today. Have they made a note of this? Because I'm not going to provide notes over there. Okay, but again, if you are being lethargic or lazy and not making a note during the class, and depending on my YouTube videos, I would like you to go and make a view and like and subscribe. Please make my channel grow, so that I'm not interested in making money. But what I am interested in, when I exceed 1,000 subscribers, I'll be able to come live, right? Okay, for that reason I will ask you to go there. But please go there for a revision, but not for making a notes. If you don't have a habit of making notes fast during the class, then you are not working on your writing skills. Remember that. Okay. Say extraordinaire. Say extraordinaire. Say extraordinaire. Say extraordinaire. Say extraordinaire. Now, are you able to listen, hear that KH in the R? Extraordinaire. Extraordinaire. Mainaz or anybody, Shabana madam? Extraordinaire.
Yes, sir, we can.
Yeah, extraordinaire.
Yes, sir, we can.
Extraordinaire.
Extraordinary.
Extraordinaire.
Extraordinary.
Will come in the later side. Say extraordinaire.
Yes,
Extraordinaire.
yes.
Extraordinaire. So this I was supposed to teach you at a second class or a third class, but not on the day one, because I don't want you guys to confuse, because this was the way. I'm not forcing the way I learned, but this was the way I learned from so many tutors, but this was the way which was more obvious as a student. Thank you. Mercy. Mercy. Fine. Next. It is now in French. Tell me in French.
C'est absolument extraordinaire. Extraordinaire.
Great. Extraordinaire.
C'est absolument extraordinaire.
Great.
C'est absolument extraordinaire.
Write it down. Write it down. C'est absolument extraordinaire. C'est absolument
extraordinaire.
Extraordinaire.
C'est absolument extraordinaire.
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 Absolument extraordinaire.
Okay. Okay. Whatever mistakes are there, I'll correct it tomorrow. Okay. Don't worry about the sounds. I don't want you to feel, burdened. There are too many things, like minutely we need to concentrate on each and every sound. What is this? No. Take it easy. Next day, inshallah. But get familiar on the day one, because this is the day one for this word. Right? Got it? Next. It is absolument
Extraordinaire ici.
C'est absolument extraordinaire ici.
C'est absolument extraordinaire.
C'est absolument extraordinaire ici.
Okay, some out of two brothers, one brother said say, but in that say, T sound was coming out. Don't use the T sound. Please say, S-A-Y, say, like same in English. Use the sound of say absolument extraordinaire ici. Extraordinaire ici.
C'est absolument
extraordinaire. C'est absolument extraordinaire ici.
Great.
C'est absolument extraordinaire ici.
Great. Thank you. Mercy.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, here in a say, upon E, it is as in grave or acute as in?
In where?
Say.
No. This is not. This is apostrophe. Connection.
Okay, it's apostrophe. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, next. Now I'm trying to go faster. There's a reason I'm not giving one slide for English or one and showing you the equivalent in another slide. No, I'm going a little faster because the timing was running out. I know the last slides I made it in such a way that we can rush faster. Okay, this is new for you. Pour moi, pour moi, pour moi, pour moi, pour. In Telugu, do you know Telugu? Anybody? Most of them, right?
Yes.
Po.
Yes.
Pora, po, poma, po moi,
Pour moi.
po moi,
Pour moi.
po moi, and moi, mine, for me. Okay, for me, moi is me. In some time you'll come to know mine. You'll done, but don't make a note of that now. Okay, in bits and pieces. This changes the meaning again in a different context. For me is the primary definition, and pour moi again has three different situations. pour moi, pour moi, pour moi. Say pour moi. Now, pour moi. Pour. Okay, it is not pour moi. It is not pomme. It is not pomme. Pour moi. Pour moi. Pour moi. Pour moi. So this is actually a connection, but there is no pause over there. Pour moi. Pour moi. Like tajdeed. Put a tajdeed over here. W. Pour moi. Say pour moi. Why I'm saying this? Say, because its sound is like that. This is again, make a note. Don't use this as official transliteration. This is for us, for Indians. Say pour moi. Say pour moi.
C'est pour moi.
Say pour moi. Pour moi. Ek minute. Somebody said pour moi. I think Humaira. Okay, it is not.
Yeah,
No. Say pour moi. Moi.
Moi.
C'est pour moi. Moi. मेरे
C'est
लिए.
pour moi.
हाँ, मेरे लिए. Okay.
C'est pour moi.
Pour moi.
C'est pour moi.
C'est pour moi. C'est pour moi.
Great.
C'est pour moi.
Pour moi. C'est pour moi.
C'est pour moi.
C'est pour moi.
Next.
C'est pour moi.
C'est pour moi.
Okay. It isn't for me. What do you say? It isn't for me. Somebody delivers you something. Like if you are living here with 2 or 3 people and somebody comes and say, for you. I said, no, it is not for me. How you'll say that? Will you accept that? The thing which parcel that is not for you? Ce n'est pas pour moi. Ce n'est pas pour moi. Got it?
Yes, sir. Ce n'est pas pour moi.
Written completely.
Ce n'est pas pour moi.
Yes.
Ce n'est pas pour moi.
Ce n'est pas pour moi.
Okay. Ce n'est pas. See here. Ce n'est pas. Ce n'est pas nahi. Ab now again, make it a little faster now. Try to learn faster now. Okay. Ce n'est pas pour moi. It was on the day 1. Now, if anybody is coming for the day 1 today, no issues. You can say, sir, this is my first class. Fine, no issues. But it is ce n'est pas pour moi. Ce n'est pas pour moi. Ce n'est pas pour moi.
N'est pas pour moi.
N'est pas pour moi.
Ce n'est pas
Ce n'est pas pour moi.
Ce n'est pas pour
Pas pour moi.
It is not for me. It is not for me.
Pas pour moi.
It is not for me. It is not for me.
Ce n'est pas
Ce
pour
n'est pas
moi.
pour moi. Clear?
N'est pas pour moi.
Clear? Next.
Ce n'est pas pour moi.
It isn't very good for me. I don't like Karela, bitter gourd. For example, if somebody, I like it, but for
Ce
example,
n'est pas très bon pour moi.
très bon pour moi.
Pour moi. Ce n'est pas très bon pour moi.
Ce n'est pas très bon pour moi.
Okay. Now here, why did I put a parenthesis over there? Be cautious. Cautious. In the beginning, if you catch it, next, it will become very easy. It is not going to give you a reason to say the sound of N. Bon. No, it is not. Bon appetit. No. That is different. It is bon. Bon.
सलीम भाई
Yeah, Eva.
सलीम भाई थोड़ा सा मेरे हिसाब से थोड़ा सा फास्ट चलेंगे आप मेरे को लगा
Okay, fine.
थोड़ा सा मेरे क्योंकि एक दो बंदे नहीं
Okay, no issues, brother. They have to say me. No issues. Please feel free to say, brother, sisters, who are there? Okay.
All right.
From where? From here?
From Saudi Arabia, actually.
No, I know. But do you want me to start from this slide again? Brother, whoever has a doubt, please tell me directly. Don't say to Ibrahim so that Ibrahim has to say me. No, please speak to me directly. Okay. C'est pour moi. 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 C'est pour moi.
C'est pour moi.
C'est pour moi.
C'est pour moi. It is for me.
C'est pour moi.
C'est pour moi.
C'est
C'est
pour
pour
moi.
moi.
Okay.
C'est pour moi.
Have you
C'est
made
pour moi.
have you made a note of this one, this transliteration?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, I assume
Yes, sir.
everybody. Okay.
C'est pour moi.
And
Ce n'est pas pour moi.
yeah, please take care of the hands. If anybody asks, wanted me to go back to the previous slide, I am absolutely fine with that. I don't have any issues. I can repeat it 5 more times for one person. If 99% of the audience has followed, but if one has not followed, I can give you the chance, no issues. Okay, we were here, right? So I was explaining the importance of not making the sound of N, bon. Ce n'est pas très bon pour moi. Ce n'est pas très beau pour moi. Ce n'est pas très beau pour moi. Ce n'est pas très bon pour moi. It isn't very good for me. It isn't very good for
Ce
me.
n'est pas très bon pour moi.
Aiwa. It isn't very good for me. I don't like this taste.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, please. Time is
You
running
have
out.
to make. Yeah.
Okay, please. Yeah. Okay. Please make a note one final thing. Pour moi will change in situations. First one is for me. Second is in my opinion. Third one is I think. How many minutes left, Mr. Shaban? Ms. Shabana?
Already we have exceeded time.
Oh,
We can stop at
I am not. Okay.
around 9:45, around 10 o'clock now.
Okay. Khalas.
So I think you said you'll
Yeah.
be taking a
We'll
photo.
call it a day. Okay. Yeah.
The photograph. You can on your video.
Yeah. Please, remind me about that. Yeah. We'll stop it here and we'll start from Pomwa tomorrow, inshallah. Okay. And let us have a screenshot of all the participants.
Kindly stop.
Can
Kindly
you
stop.
can I have Amir bhai is here? Is Amir bhai here? Can you enable that, please?
Yes, sir. He is there, sir. Amir sir is there.
How am I supposed to? How am I supposed to take the screenshot? Amir bhai, are you taking that?
Sir, I will be taking the screenshot. I will post it, sir.
Yeah, please ask everybody. Can you please put on the camera? And if somebody don't want to, no issues. But whoever wants to voluntarily come forward to put on the camera, we'll take a screenshot of all the participants in one screen. Everybody, put on the camera.
Miss Rumana, you please take a laptop. Miss Rumana, are you there? Miss Rumana?
Yes, I am here, but I put off my laptop. I am on the phone.
Okay,
Shall I start? If you give me 1 minute, I will start with my.
Okay, fine. Otherwise, you can inform Mr. Salim how to take.
Sorry, we'll do it tomorrow.
Miss Rumana can say regarding that one. Like
Okay. Yeah, please. Can all the participants wait for a moment? Don't leave the room, meeting room, and we'll take a photograph.
Just a moment.
Yeah.
Salim sir and Shabana ma'am, I just want to ask you one thing.
Yeah.
Can we introduce a rule after 8:30 we will not admit anyone? Because I can see still the persons are pouring in.
No, it is like.
We cannot. Amir bhai has requested me not to impose that rule because people are coming from Saudi Arabia and some of them work over there up to 7 o'clock in their office, and it is that 7 o'clock in the Saudi Arabia means 9:30 in India. But still there.
Okay.
Let's see. Within 1 month we'll come to know who are the serious audience, who were the just participants.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Is the screenshot ready?
Miss Sumana, are you ready, Miss Sumana?
Just I opened my.
Yeah, take your time. But when it is done, please let us know. And say before taking
Yes,
before taking a screenshot, ask everyone to smile.
yes, sir, absolutely.
Actually, we cannot see our face.
Put on the camera, everyone. I mean, whoever wants to.
Camera means it's video, no?
Yeah, camera, video. Yeah, video, camera, video. Ibrahim, where are you? Amir bhai, where are you?
Salim bhai.
Ji. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Mashallah. After a long time.
Yes, after a
Ibrahim
long
is
time.
my classmate from engineering. We were together from 1997 to 2001 in Gulbarga.
Good to see you, sir.
Thank you. Mercy.
C'est bon. C'est bon. It is good.
Done? Finished? Sure?
Miss
Keep
Sumana,
smiling.
is done? Miss Sumana?
Are you sure? Shall we leave?
I don't know if she's not
No, sir, just a fraction of a second.
Take your time. No issues.
Good exercise to keep smiling.
How was the class today?
Yeah, good. This is the second day.
Class was very good.
So,
Second day for you, Mr. Ali Imran. Okay.
yeah.
Okay, but it is the third
It's
day today.
looking little tough.
No.
Yeah, it's looking little tough.
No, it is not, inshallah. It is not. Only thing is that you give a reading, inshallah. You'll catch it very quickly, inshallah. Very soon.
Inshallah.
No, Alhamdulillah, it looks very good actually. I mean, in the first few days you were able to learn so many words. So I think it is really
And
good.
more importantly, these are not dry words. These words are going to be used in real time. Sohail, how are you?
Yeah.
Sohail.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum
I'm good,
salam.
mashallah.
You are also seeing me for the first time, right?
No, this is my third class.
No, but you're seeing me for the first time on camera.
Yeah. Yes.
Because we never met.
Yeah, inshallah we'll meet.
Inshallah, we'll meet.
Yes, please put on your camera on, please. Is everyone ready? Just smile, please. Okay. Yes, it's done.
Done? Sure?
Yes, thank you very much. Yes.
Merci beaucoup. Shamana madam, I'm sorry about today's delay. We are eating away your time.
Yeah, because everybody has some commitment. So let us maintain the timings.
Yeah.
Please, I request all of you to please maintain the time, please.
He is the chief pattern. Amir Bhai is our chief pattern. Everybody, kindly let me introduce Amir Bhai. Amir Bhai is a PMP and Agile Scrum trainer, and also a trainer for Six Sigma. You can get in touch with him if anybody want to certify for PMP and Scrum and Agile. Okay, and he has been my mentor and a very nice brother. MashaAllah. We have lived together in Khobar, Saudi Arabia. Yeah, Amir Bhai, please continue.
Let's conclude for the day because it's high time now. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum.
Please maintain the time. Please come on time, everyone. Thank you. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.